What's going on, everybody? Tyler Austin, founder and CEO of REISift, and welcome to the part 3 of the setting up a brand new account, essentially stabilizing your REISift account, whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started. In the previous video, I showed you how to remove false positives. In part 1, we uploaded a bunch of Listsouce base equity data. Now, what we're gonna do is upload a bunch of Propstream data, all the vexation data that we teach in our Propstream series on how to download those. And we're gonna take those and upload them into our REISift account, show you how I go about doing that. I think we got about 8 different lists here that we can pull, that we have pulled rather, to go ahead and upload. I'm gonna go ahead and just share my screen and just knock it out. I'm gonna show you guys how simple it is, and just I'm not gonna pause the actual upload sequences and stuff like that of me uploading the data, because I really want an accurate representation of how long this should be taking you guys. Granted, once it's finished and we're waiting for it to finish uploading under our activity page, that's a different story. So let's just go ahead and get into it, show you guys what we got going on. So I'm on our list page right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just look at our first list here. Let's just go ahead and do bankruptcy, starting from the bottom up to the top here. I'm just gonna create a new list. You can do this on the upload. I just started liking to do it here instead. I don't know how to spell bankruptcy. I think that's close enough. I'm just gonna click create list. And I'm just gonna look and I'm gonna name each one: divorce, HOA liens. Because remember, your lists are literally just the name of the data type, okay? But we do have the tags. Always remember the 4 W's of data management. We have some tags we're gonna be doing: judgments, mechanic liens. Always remember your capitalization and whatnot. I do believe that nice standardization is important. Pre-foreclosures, tax liens, failed listings, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna look at my tags here, and I'm just gonna verify if I have a Propstream tag already made. I already do. I have a Propstream tag, list purchase in October 2020. That's when I purchased these. Looks like we have another one from an example, but this is the one I made. This is the one from a test upload that was done, but they're the same exact tag. Okay, let's go back to our records page now, and what we're gonna, or I'm sorry, let's go ahead and click upload. Of course, this is our old upload page. We have a new one that we're working on right now to make it even more simple for you guys. Downloads, we're gonna start with the bankruptcy. So click upload. It's going to auto map pretty much everything, except for the property address, because I did not go in and standardize these. In a previous video or on our YouTube channel, depending on where you're watching this video, we show you how to standardize all your lists so that it just auto maps for you, so you don't have to worry about this. We do not auto map anything, just straight city, state, zip, because we don't know if that's supposed to be the mailing or the property or what. Propstream doesn't come with a full name companies and trust column. They just have first and last names of their owners, and they put their LLCs and trusts inside of either the first name or the last name column. So that's fine. We don't have any phone numbers or anything like that, because this is just a brand new raw data list. That's it. Click continue. This is divorce. We're going to click on divorce. This is Propstream data, Pinellas County, and the list was purchased October 2020. Because there could be some data that's going to be updated in this, I'm going to choose list purchased, or the center option for update existing. Anytime I'm uploading anything that I pulled after a previous list, I just always use the update existing option, just in case the mailing address, the owners changed or something like that. We want to swap out those owners, so that's why I do that. Those are all fine. Click save, and that's it. We're going to go ahead and do that a few times. You guys can just watch, or you could fast forward, either one, but we're going to go ahead, and I uploaded it to the wrong list. So bankruptcy is what I uploaded is what it should have been, and I accidentally uploaded it to the divorce. So all I'm going to do is go to my records page here, and I'm going to click on all data, and then I'm going to filter by the divorce list, okay? And I'm going to select all data, manage, add to list, and then I'm going to add this to the bankruptcy list. Boom. Okay, and now I'm going to go to my list page, and I'm going to see now my bankruptcy has 1127, and so does my divorce. And I'm going to go back over here, and now I'm going to filter by that bankruptcy list again. Okay, apply all data, and I'm going to select all and remove the divorce list from all that bankruptcy. Now I'll go back to my list page and notice that my divorce has 0. Okay, so I just fixed my mistake there. So now you guys know how to do that in case you make that mistake. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose file, and I'm going to select the divorce data now. Click OK. Go ahead and scroll down and auto map, or just map these out. This is divorce data, Propstream, list purchased, Pinellas, update existing, save. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through and do that for the rest of these. So I'm going to pretty much be quiet most of the time. Again, you guys can skip or do whatever. This was HOA liens, Propstream, list purchased, Pinellas, update existing, save, judgments. It's pre-foreclosure. You could just have city and state with no zip, and then you can have street address, city, state without a zip, and it will still populate it. Tax liens and failed listings. We are just about done here. Seems like something has happened. You're going to refresh. Notice how I didn't get to finish that. If I click on my activity page now, it's going to show incomplete, okay? So that's how you know if you never fully finish something. You see the rest of these are processing. Go back to upload. Let's try that again. Tax liens. I'm very excited for our new uploads page. It's going to be really nice. One more. Failed listings. Especially with failed listings, you know, and sold data. That's one list I don't think we actually showed from Propstream was data that has been sold. That's definitely another list that you want to pull. Especially for that list, you want to choose update existing. For your buyers list, you want to choose update existing because you want to swap out that information with the current buyers or with the current properties, because obviously if it's sold or if it was a buyer, then it's no longer the previous owner, right? So we want to make sure that we swap that out. That's right, failed listings. And there, in that scenario, we would add a tag called buyer to these as well. That way we can have that. Because I don't keep a buyer's list, I just tag the properties as buyer. But you could totally have a buyer's list if you want. I just upload it and tag all those records as buyers, properties, and then that's it. Okay, save, and that's our last one. We're gonna click on our activity page here. We can see all the others have finished. This one was incomplete, but I had re-uploaded it and it was finished already, and we got failed listings. So let's go to our records page. And we can see, wow, look at all those. 4 stacks, 3 stacks, 3 stacks. There's a ton of records here that are on multiple lists. This one's pre-foreclosure, judgments, bankruptcy, high equity. If we click on the owner, we can see if they own multiple properties. Let's do that on a few of these. Click on the owner, okay? Lots of really cool things we can do here now that that's all uploaded. Boom, very beautiful. Activity page, we can see that's still processing. Should be done any second. Let's look at, out of curiosity, why that finishes. Let's do vacant property, yes. And then stacks 2 or more here. Apply filters, boom. We have 44 properties that are vacant and on multiple lists. If we click on all, we can see we actually have 62, so that means there's some incomplete data here. There is 18 here that are trusts or companies or incomplete records in general that are here on multiple lists and vacant, which is amazing. Clean those up and capitalize on that data that we already have, which is a beautiful thing about REISift. So that is uploading Propstream data. After we've uploaded that base list, you can go to our list page now and we can see we have bankruptcy. Code enforcements is a list that we're going to upload here from the county here in a second. And then we have the free and clears. We have a nice structure. We can see visually what's going on. Click on our tags. We can see some awesome tags here. We know how many records we brought into our company on a certain month. We know how many are from Listsouce. We know how many are from Propstream. We know how many are from Pinellas. And we can see that visually right at the, right in front of us here. So, okay, anyway, so yeah, if you have any questions, reach out. I mean, it's very straightforward after you get that initial base equity data in there, making sure you understand false positives. I can see there's no false positives here. We got our base equity. We got bankruptcy, we have judgments, we have pre-foreclosure. All of those are huge signs of distress. I can look at my tags and I can see, okay, that's from Propstream data and Listsouce data. Is a mixture on both of these. And then we have Pinellas, and this all entered in my company on October. And then as I do marketing campaigns, these will get tagged with these different campaigns, which we'll teach you guys as well. But cover that in the auto lead gen challenge, very structured format, really awesome training. So feel free to check that out. I appreciate you guys very much for watching me upload some Propstream data. You can see there's a lot of opportunity here, and this is kind of just an initial, again, standardizing this account, getting it prepared. That way we can start doing some other things in here, which we're going to jump over after we standardize this one. We're actually going to jump over into the same exact account, but a live account, same data though, and we're going to show you what we've been marketing with it here in the last roughly month or so. We've been doing some marketing, updating our data real time, and we'll kind of go through that sequence as well. But anyway, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video on uploading county data. We'll take a look at those lists really quick, what they looked like, and then we will show you what they look like now, and then we'll get them uploaded, and we'll have our account all set up, ready to then start filtering and creating campaigns and getting some leads in our business. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.